In this quick practice better tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to link your checkout page so you can start accepting payments right away. If you're looking to set up your checkout with Practice Better, this is the perfect guide for you, and you'll want to stick around for an exclusive bonus at the end. Now, let's get started. First thing, head over to your Practice Better dashboard and click on Settings. Once you're there, navigate to the Payments section. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage payments, including your checkout page link. You'll want to make sure you've connected your Stripe or PayPal account for payment processing, as this is crucial for the next steps. Next thing, let's create or customize your checkout page. Once you've set up your payment processor, click on the Checkout Pages tab under Settings. Here, you'll see an option to create a new checkout page or edit an existing one. If you're creating a new one, simply follow the prompts to add your services and offerings. This is a simple process where you can list your sessions, packages, or any other products you're offering, so clients can easily select and pay. The third thing is to grab your checkout page link. After creating your checkout page, you'll get a direct URL for it. Make sure to copy that link, as this is what you'll need to link to in your emails, website, or anywhere else you want to send clients for payment. You can also personalize your checkout page URL for better branding. Next, let's talk about linking your checkout page to the right places. You can easily integrate the checkout page link into your emails or even on your website. For email integrations, simply paste the link directly into your email template. For website integration, Practice Better provides an embed code you can use, or you can use the direct URL in your buttons or links. This allows clients to go straight to your checkout page without hassle. The fifth thing is to test your checkout page. Before sending clients to the page, it's a good idea to do a quick test. Click the link yourself to ensure everything is working properly. Try going through the checkout process to make sure the payment system is smooth and that everything is set up correctly. Now, let's be real for a moment. While Practice Better offers a solid checkout page system, there are some limitations when it comes to customization. You're a bit restricted in terms of design, and there's less flexibility in embedding payment systems in a fully branded manner compared to some other platforms. That's why I want to share an exclusive offer with you. While Practice Better can work for some, if you're looking for even more control over your checkout page design and payment integration, I've found alternatives that could be a better fit. These platforms also come with robust free trials, so you can try them risk-free and see for yourself which one fits your business model best. Through the link in the description, you can grab the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. This offer includes extended access to features that make payment processing even easier. Check it out and see if one of these alternatives works better for your goals. So, to wrap things up, you've learned how to link your checkout page in Practice Better, but now you know there are other tools out there that might offer more flexibility. Don't forget to click the link below for your exclusive trial to explore even better options. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next video.